Grabe tong big night. This is a dream and it still feels like a dream. I'm so happy na we were able to experience this and share this stage with the other duos. We're so happy na we reached this point and we got to see our family, our friends, all the supporters. Until now, sobrang overwhelmed pa rin ako, but I'm just so happy with how everything went. Kaya maraming salamat. Ako super honored and grateful na kami po ang 4th big placer. Ever since we were Big 4, I was already super happy. Lagi ko sinasabi na winners na kami. At lahat ng duos na kasama namin, winners na rin sila. Kaya any place that we got tonight, winners pa rin kami. So even if it's 4th place, I am so happy na we even got to share and be on this stage tonight. Ayun, sa mga supporters, sa mga fans, maraming salamat at mahal na mahal ko kayo. Grabe, it was so nice to see all of you here tonight. I can't wait to meet each and every one of you. And I hope throughout me and AZ's journey, sana na-inspire kayo, sana may natuto kayo. And hopefully, this is just a start. Hopefully, there's more to come in the future. Kaya maraming salamat and I love you.